Alright, y'all, this is gonna be completely candid. Shh. Hope she's dressed.
Hey girl, are you ready to go do a shop update video, girl?
Yes.
It wasn't as dramatic as I was hoping.
Look at apples on there.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Mitchell with Mitchell's Lawn Care. If you're new, thanks for tuning in. If you're not new, welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and it's like the third or fourth time you're seeing my mug, that's YouTube trying to tell you something. Anyways, like the title suggests, another shop update, and I am super excited about this one. It's not 100% complete yet, but it is more complete now than it has ever been. So, truck is warming up. Let's hop inside and head on over. Alright, you guys, so out on the property, Hannah and I've been working a little bit. Didn't get any footage with that, so I know I just hopped over here. But anyways, we were cleaning up back behind the building, getting rid of some cardboard, yada yada. Well, around the building is not done yet. Still have a lot of grading to do and some concrete work, some gravel work, all that stuff. So the outside of the building is not done. Still have to get the electrical work completed as well, and of course the long list of to do inside the shop. But the panels are up, the insulation is up, the roof is up, the trim is up, the doors are on, and it's complete. So there it is. Even got the old truck inside for reference. But let's walk around the outside real quick. So like I said, everything is up and done. Try not to step in mud. Lean-to is up. Got the tractor. It is all done. Let's walk inside. What do y'all think? Here we go. So the whole building is complete. All the way around. 12 by 14 roll-up door, 12 by 10 right beside it, and 12 by 10 in the back. Like I've said before, this is where the drive around or the drive through is going to be. There'll be a gravel drive out here on the back side. So everywhere that I'm walking right now is all going to be cut out, graded out, and that way I can drive into the back side of the shop. Over here is where the gym's going to be. I've already bought some lumber for the workbenches, and voila! Hello.
Super happy.
What do you think about it?
So happy. Amazing.
The sun is blasting you out. It's too dark. But anyways, I'll turn this around. So that's it. So pretty much The only thing left to do is, like I said, finish the outside, and then there's a whole bunch of work to get done on the inside. When this video goes live, hopefully the electricians will already have been here, got this whole place wired, got the outlets in and all that stuff, so we can go to the next level and start building workbenches. Duke Energy was out here. They got our transformer hot. So yeah, hope you like it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. Hannah and I are just tickled to bring this to y'all, and we can't wait to get moved into it. So if you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. What do you think?
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.